David thought his credit card was making him rich, until one night he opened his banking app and realized the bank was making money from him the entire time. But what happened next completely changed the game. David thought he discovered a secret money hack: cashback, free flights, reward points. Every swipe felt like profit, until one night he checked his banking app and realized he owed nearly $5,000. That's when he understood something disturbing. The bank was never losing money. He was. David wasn't reckless. That's what made it dangerous. He had a normal job, paid most of his bills on time, watched finance videos during lunch breaks, and everywhere online, people were saying the same thing: use credit cards correctly and the bank pays you. It sounded smart, almost rebellious. So David started slowly. First it was groceries, then gas, then online shopping, then travel deals, then limited time offers that somehow always expired tonight, and every month the rewards app kept celebrating him. You earned points. You unlocked cashback. You're saving money. But something strange was happening underneath all the excitement. David was spending more than before, not intentionally, psychologically, because swiping a card doesn't feel like losing money. It feels delayed, soft, almost imaginary. A $12 coffee doesn't hurt immediately. Neither does a $70 dinner, or a random late-night purchase because shipping was free. And slowly, tiny decisions became a giant number. One night after work, exhausted and unable to sleep, David opened his banking app. Balance due, $4,892. How do some people make money from credit cards, while millions of others quietly sink into debt? Were the rewards fake? Was the system rigged? Or was David missing something nobody talks about? That question obsessed him. David started researching how credit card companies actually make money. Banks don't make most of their money from disciplined users. They make it from behavior, interest charges, late fees, impulse spending, minimum payments. The rewards weren't generosity, they were bait. The bank could afford to give 2% cash back because many people eventually paid 20% interest. Suddenly, the whole thing looked different. The flashy ads, the airport lounge photos, the influencers talking about free travel. It's about psychology. The next morning, David made one rule. If he couldn't already afford something with cash sitting in his bank account, the credit card would not be used. Simple. But that one rule changed everything. The card stopped being emotional. No more random shopping because of points. No more spending extra. Instead, David started routing only planned expenses through the card. Gas, utilities, phone bill, insurance, groceries, money that was leaving anyway. And something strange happened. The rewards still came in, but the debt stopped growing. David paid the statement balance in full. No interest, no late fees. Ironically, that's when the system actually started benefiting him. He earned cash back on bills, used points for discounted flights, built a stronger credit history. But then David noticed something uncomfortable. His friends copied the wrong part. They saw rewards screenshots, travel photos, bonus offers. What they didn't see was the discipline underneath it. One friend bought expensive sneakers for the points. Another booked vacations they couldn't afford. The same system helping David was trapping them, and that's when he finally understood the hidden truth. Credit cards amplify who you already are. If you're impulsive, they make impulsiveness easier. If you're disciplined, they become useful tools. Entire industries are built around rewarding spending. Everything wants one thing: your attention and your impulse. That's why reward systems feel like games: points, levels, exclusive offers, VIP status. The system is carefully designed to make spending feel exciting, while the consequences stay invisible until later. The people who benefit are often emotionally detached. They don't swipe to feel successful. They don't chase rewards emotionally. They simply understand the math. Today, David still uses credit cards, but not because they make him feel rich, because he finally realized something most people never do. Banks spend billions designing systems around human behavior. And the moment you understand that behavior, the game starts looking very different. Because maybe the real question isn't, can you make money using credit cards? Maybe the real question is, why are banks so confident most people won't? If you like more updates about finance stories, subscribe Wealth Insure Lab. See you in next video.